Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Oh, you guessed it, it is time to take this off again. This is the finale to my series of makeup inspired by popular brands, and this was Gucci. I'm definitely happy with how it turned out, but it's gotta go. If I pull here, the whole thing's just gonna... Oh, never mind. I am so excited to see again. I just gotta find an edge. Wait, I think I got one. Oh, it's so bright. Oh, ah. And once again, there's blood in my teeth. One single lash. I took a shower and I'm clean now. Tis time to take this off again. No, is this a good makeup? No, you can see I did not blend anything. I'm sorry. From far away, maybe. Yeah, I can see that. Or can I? I can't see. My mom has seen every single one of my looks, and now she thinks I need therapy. And to be honest, I probably do. I changed the lights to help me see, but it didn't help. Ow, that kind of helps me see though. Ouch. This may be satisfying to you guys. I don't know if I can say that for myself though. So I think this one got a little bit of my eyebrow, like right at the end, right here. I'll be fine. They're gonna grow back. Ooh, there's literally cotton in my eye. Boop. Be right back. Good to go. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Yes, of course, it is time to take this off again. What other time can it be? I've had this on for way too long and all the blood has dried by now. But that will not stop me. I'm so sleep deprived, I have no idea what I'm saying anymore. My head is way too big for this head. What hat? Not head. I really want to start with a nose for some reason. That came off quick. The teeths. Ah, I don't know why I made that noise. Other one. Let's just do the whole smile. Ow. Pain is not real. I personally am tired of feeling pain, so I just decided to not feel it anymore. I really didn't even try on the ears here. Ah, I tried to untangle this, but now it's just stuck. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Yes, of course, it is time to take this off again. If I blow hard enough, these teeth will come off. Oh no, they're... I didn't think it would actually work. We're not gonna stop there, though. Okay, this is gonna take too long. Oh, I'll save that one for last. I'm pretty happy with how this makeup came out, but... Oh? But I'm really tired and I'm really hungry. Ow. So we just gotta... push through. Oh, I almost forgot about the nose again. That really popped off. DIY blackhead removal, anyone? Just kidding, please don't do that. Wow, don't I look beautiful? And your favorite nightmare fuel? Alright, I am now clean, but my skin is definitely stained. Oh, and also I uploaded a full YouTube video on this look, so go ahead and check that out. The link is in my bio. Guess what time it is, guys? It's time to take this off again. I'm gonna take this contact lens off because I can't see anything with that one eye, so I'll be right back. Okay, it's off, and I smeared this part, but I don't care, because, yeah. No, this isn't my best look, but, you know, I had fun with it. Oh god, that looks so weird. Come out! Okay, the teeth are not coming out individually. That would be really cool. So I'm gonna take this whole thing, as a whole piece. So have fun watching that. Lovely. I'll be right back because I'm gonna take this whole thing off. Look at that. It belongs in the trash. Good day, everyone. Yo, I don't want to take this off. What do I do in this situation? Like, I need to take it off. I took pictures of it. Like, ripping that eyelash off. Literally, pain. It's 11 p.m. and I should start getting ready for bed, but I don't wanna. I don't wanna. I wanna have this on. I'm not gonna sleep all night. So I thought I would share the pain on TikTok because that's what TikTok has been for me. So let's do it. I can't. It's okay, we got this. Okay, there we go. That wasn't... I'm fine. I am so tempted right now to just redraw the part that I erased, but self-control. Let's do this part right here. Yes, like nothing ever happened. I did not spend 3 hours on this. No, I didn't. Nothing happened. I had no makeup on. Now I understand the people who like to draw on canvases other than faces, because then they don't have to take it off. It just stays. I'm sad. I'm gonna go eat or something. Well, hello there, you little freaks. It's time to take this off again. Now, I have no idea why I decided to cover up my nose and then give myself a nose on top of the latex. But we're not gonna talk about it. Pretend like nothing happened, okay? It's time for the good stuff. Boom. Tooth gone. Boom. All of them. Be gone. Tooth. Yeah. Oh yeah. Let's do it. Didn't hurt. I can finally breathe. I'm gonna go shower because the makeup wipe wasn't enough, but you have a great day. You guys, it's time to take this off again. This piece did not want to stay on at all, so we're taking it off first because it's basically off already. There are so many icicles on me. Ow. Pain. This thing is like gelatin. So nice and gross. We love it. If you're wondering how long this took me, 10 hours. Okay, 1, 2, 3. And while I'm very sad to be taking this look off, I am very excited to breathe again. Bye. There is paint in my mouth and paint in my nose. And I feel like there's paint in my hair. I don't know what that was. Okay, quick and painless. Quick and... Ow. Okay, we're almost there. You might think I'm being dramatic, but that hurts. And in the trash you go. Be honest, did we miss the nightmare fuel? All clean. Alright, you guys, it's time to take this off again, and I really don't want to because I really like this look. Send help. I'm living for the rhinestone lips, though. Can I take them off all at once? No. You know, I was hoping at least the removal would be satisfying, but no, there's no redemption for this look. I almost ate a rhinestone. You know what they say, when life gives you lemons, you make fashion. And eat rhinestones, apparently. I'm gonna cry. Okay, no kidding though, I had this wig on for literally the whole day and I don't remember what my natural hair looks like. I am really not happy about this, not happy at all, but oh well. I literally look like a clown right now. Who knew there was such a thin line between the runway and the circus? I am no longer high fashion, let's take off the wig. Oh boy. It's stuck. It's a sign. I don't need to take it off. It's so funny though. I hated the wig when I put it on and then I fell in love with it. Okay, I low-key forgot how good my hair looks. Hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? It is time to take this off again. Oh yes. This is not my best look, but it's not the worst, so we're chilling. Good stuff. Nice. It always feels good to take makeup off. Especially makeup like this. I'll be right back. Oh wow, look, nothing changed. I'm just kidding. Look at me. Even though that was a fairly simple look, if you guys still want to see a tutorial or want to know what products I used, go ahead and check the link in my profile. It's a tutorial, oh yes. But other than that, you guys have an amazing day. Yeah. Hi. I don't want to take my makeup off again. I look so good. I look so good. I don't want to take this off. I just want to stay a really cool goddess for the rest of my life. And can I get these, like, what if I use super glue? No, that's a bad idea. So I went to go change and then I got really sad and I ended up eating and now my lipstick's off, but I guess that's a good first step. All the blood in this thing has dried by now. Well, there's no going back now. Not the glitters. Once again, no physical pain, just emotional. And you guys, have an amazing day. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? How's it going? You guessed it, it is time to take this off again. This took way longer than I expected, and I kind of don't want to take it off, but I have to. I think I start here. Oh my god, I didn't know it was all one piece now. I usually throw the prosthetics out after I use them, but this is kind of cute. I'ma save it. Now I gotta take the rest of this off. This is nightmare fuel right here. Alright, I'm pretty much done, but I ran out of contact solution and I don't know whether I should go to Target like this or leave my contacts dry for 15 minutes. Help. Trypophobia warning, y'all. Well, hello, you little freaks. I cannot talk once again. Thank you very much for coming to my page. Anyways, it's time to take this off again. And oh dear god, I hate wax so much. I am looking forward to taking this off. Boom. Leave. Be gone. Wax. Oh, there we go. That's nice. Wow, so cute. Doon. It just pops right off. Ah, it's so nice. There's some little pieces here as well. Boom. Leave me alone. The best feeling in the world. I'm gonna leave my contact on because I want to see if my boyfriend will notice that I have two different eye colors. I don't think he will. But either way, you guys have an amazing day. Hey there, you little freaks. It's time to take this off again. I have to whisper because everyone's asleep. Also, while filming the previous TikTok, I somehow got all of this on my carpet and even my poor stuffed animal. I don't know how I'm gonna clean it off, but let's not think about that. Let's take this off. This is great. I'm enjoying this very much. I actually am. I look like Squidward. Ugh, I wish I could never. My favorite part. Alright guys, you go have a great day and I'm gonna go shower and clean off the carpet before my mom sees it. Please pray for me, it's not coming off. Y'all, you need to bear with me for a little bit, okay? My mom brought me popcorn. Why did I say popcorn? Am I British? Anyways, look at the bowl. Why is it in this bowl? I'm gonna turn myself into a popcorn basket, I already slicked my hair back and everything. Okay, my thought process is that popcorn baskets don't have faces, so I'm gonna paint my face green, and then possibly I could green screen it later. Is it weird that I'm really excited about this? It's gonna work. It's gonna work. This isn't working. I'm gonna put some real popcorn in here. Do I need a therapist? Every time I open my mouth, a piece of popcorn gets in. This look was obviously missing some movie theater glasses, oh yeah. She is beauty, she is power, she is popcorn. Now I just need to see if this is green screenable. Oh boy, oh my gosh. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? You already know what time it is. Yes, it's time to take this monstrosity off of my face. I can't wait. There's just so much going on here, I don't even know where to start. I want to take this massive snowflake off of my face. Ow! It only got a little bit of my hair, it's fine. Let's do a smile. Ah! That didn't hurt at all. Let's do the horn. Ooh. My neck is still covered with latex and I have no idea how to take it off. It's like in patches too. I can't even see it. Ah! Help. It's literally just pulling my neck off. I give up. Hopefully it comes off in the shower. Forgot that little piece there. It came off! Woo! Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? You already know what time it is. Yes, it's time to take this monstrosity off of my face. I can't wait. There's just so much going on here, I don't even know where to start. I want to take this massive snowflake off of my face. Ow. It only got a little bit of my hair, it's fine. Let's do a smile. Ah! That didn't hurt at all. Let's do the horn. Ooh. My neck is still covered with latex and I have no idea how to take it off. It's like in patches too. I can't even see it. Ah! Help. It's literally just pulling my neck off. I give up. Hopefully it comes off in the shower. Forgot that little piece there. It came off. Woo! Hey there, you little freaks. It's time to take this off again. I have to whisper because everyone's asleep. Also, while filming the previous TikTok, I somehow got all of this on my carpet and even my poor stuffed animal. I don't know how I'm gonna clean it off, but let's not think about that. Let's take this off. This is great. I'm enjoying this very much. I actually am. I look like Squidward. Ugh, I wish I could never. My favorite part. Alright guys, you go have a great day and I'm gonna go shower and clean off the carpet before my mom sees it. Please pray for me, it's not coming off. Guess what time it is, guys? It's time to take this off again. I cannot see because I'm wearing contacts. But I put both of them on, which is new. I could never put both contacts on, but you know, I can't see. So I'm gonna attempt to take them off. Be right back. I took them off, you guys. I don't even know where to start with this one. Oh boy. Beautiful. There's some right there as well. Yeah. Boop. Gotta take this all off. I'll be right back. So I accidentally got latex in my hair, so I have to cut it off now. Because latex doesn't come out of hair. Never mind, I got it out. Do you guys like my bangs? But anyways, good day, you guys. Well, hello there, little freaks. It's time to take this off again. Y'all know the drill. I'm gonna take my contacts off first because I can't see. Much better. Oh, and if you guys didn't know, this makeup look is a part of my 7-part series for the 7 deadly sins. This is gluttony. I hope I said that right. Now for the good stuff. Lovely. I'm actually kind of proud of this one though. I'm gonna go wash my face. I'll be right back. And there we go. If you guys have questions about the products I used or just want to see the full tutorial, go ahead and click the link in my profile. Oh, and one more thing. Have a great day.